This guy. Turn that thing off. Don't remember what this was. Looks cool. This is a Dell motherboard, and look how loose everything is. Oops, what's that? Oh, that one's nice and stripped. Great. Great. Oh, there's another one somewhere. Oh boy, that should be great. Great. Where's the other one? There it is. What the fuck is going on with this one? Uh-oh. Dang it. Back to strips again. There we go. Oh shit, there's one more. Dang it. Why is everything so loose? Oh. Some asshole used these metal ones. I wonder who that was. I don't even remember what this was, what processor this was. I ripped it out of some Dell. I don't even know. Yeah. Metal shards in the case is fucking grand. Dirty as fuck. here. Shit. Of course, we can't have any of the proper tools anywhere. Biscuit. Fuck. Good. Hmm. 530 watts. We're not going to use that one. I think this is a blue fan. No, might not use that one. I think the front has a blue one too. Got some more fans inside I might use. Bigger. Like, oh fuck, I had some. I don't know where I left them. Some 120 millimeter ones. Dude. Oh, dirty as fuck. Let's see what we got. A little bit. Oh. Shit balls. I thought this fan had LEDs too. Probably not. Perfecto. Oh, let's rob some parts from this one. So I already started disassembling. I ran a lot of this behind. 100% sure if I remember. Not really. Uh-oh. Jesus. Yes, these are wire nuts inside the computer. I have to make it work. Uh-oh. I don't remember what this hard drive is. Let's pop it out and see. It's a Samsung. $250. Same as the other one. All right. Let's see if this is better. Oh, much better. Much better. China's finest motherboard. This is shit. I wonder what size that is. Probably don't have it. Shoot, I wonder if I got Oh, I might got a thing for this. I knew I had a thing. Oh. Oh yeah, much better. Hell yes. Now I did all the hard work. Alright, so we had HEDG. A. A, B, C, D, E, F. I don't think we need that one. Let's see if I can cut my hand on this IO shield. That'll be. This is actually the, oh, it came from Vostro 230. This thing came with absolutely 0 instructions. Make sure you fucking twist that. See if I can do this up, cut my fingers open. It looks so tiny in this case. That's what she said. I'm sure I'm horrifying all type of people that are watching this, if they are watching it. I don't really care. I used to be a professional. I'm driving these bastards in here. You know, being that this thing is 100%, I don't even know the brand. I should probably try to post it before I put everything together, but I'm feeling adventurous. So we're just gonna go for it. How the fuck am I supposed to get the? Oh, there you go. Oh shit. Fuck. Jesus, what's that? This one? Maybe this will go. Curious about this RAM. It came with the motherboard. Looks pretty sturdy. beat the shit. Well, that one is what it is. That one will be the one that falls out. The end of the case, destroying all the things. Let's put this bitch back in here. Boom. I don't know why they did them like that. There's absolutely no instructions with this motherboard. Let's plug this in while we got our plug all the plugins good. Maybe. What the fuck is that? I don't know. Shit. Well, very, very interesting. There's a dead ant already. Dang it. This was the motherboard. Oh, these old parts. This was like flopping around in here loose. That's good. This screw was in here. I don't know where that came from. Probably goes to the M2. Here's this filler. So, I like this. Unfamiliar with motherboard installation work, please do not install it blindly. Well, I mean, they didn't have any instructions, so I guess it's going to be done blindly. I think this case needs more fans. I'm going to find more fans.